Hello and welcome to my channel Techie Course. So today we are going to do a PowerPoint tutorial on how to do interactive slides. So I'll just show you how to do how does it work. Now there'll be 3 points. So if I click on the number 3, it is going to tell me third slide, and if I click on this one, it's going to go back to this slide, and if I click on 4 again, it's going to go to the fourth slide, and if I click on this, it's going to come back, and if I click on the 5, it's again not it's 5 not 3. If I click on this fifth, 1 minute, if I click on number 5, it's going to go to the fifth slide. So let's see how does it work. I'm just going to go out. So these are the 3 slides. We have to create these 3 slides. I'm going to create these 3 slides and then do it. Let me open a PowerPoint, a blank presentation, and then first we'll be doing 3 buttons, 3 shapes only. So let me change this layout to blank, and let me go to insert and then shapes, and I'll just pick up a rectangle shape. Now if I double click on this, I can edit the text. So I'll be writing as first slide, and I can just copy paste it, Ctrl C and V. I'll make this second slide and third slide. You can change the color if you want, but I'll just change it to orange, yellow and green. So these are the 3 colors I have. Now we need to create the 3 slides it has to go to. This is called hyperlinking. If I click on this word, it's going to go there, so that's called hyperlinking. I create a new slide and then insert a text box. Insert a text box, and if I click here, the text box comes. First slide, and if this one looks very plain to you, you can just go to the home and click on the design ideas, and click on select any idea. I will select this first slide, and you can just get another new slide and click on insert, and then click on the text box and click over here, and I can just enter the text. I'll say second slide and click anywhere on the blank first slide, and then go to home tab and click on the design ideas, and I'll choose this one now, the second option, second slide. Now I can just close this, and I'll create a new slide. Now go to the insert tab again and a text box anywhere, and I name it as third slide, and go to the home tab, design ID, click on the home tab again if it goes away, and design ideas, and I'll choose this one for the third slide. So we have our 3 slides here, and sorry, we don't need this slide. I just delete it. Right click on it and delete it. So if I go back to the first slide, and what I need to do is right click on this button, shape, and then I'm going to click on link. If we link, we don't need to select a web page or file. We have to go to this document, and slide titles, you have to go to slide titles, double click on it, and this slide number is 2, so I'm selecting slide 2 and click on OK. Now if I double click on the right click on the second one and select link, slide title, click on this arrow, a small arrow over here, and then scroll down and select slide 3 now, and OK. Sorry, I did a mistake, so let me just undo it. So I should right click on this, make sure the text is not selected, and then right click and select link, slide titles, click on the arrow, and then go to slide 3, select slide 3 and OK. And now third slide, right click on it. No, we don't, make sure this text one doesn't come. It should be selected only on the shape, so click on the edge and then select link and slide titles and slide 4 and click on OK. So now it's going to go to the slide 4. Let's test the thing which we done. If I just click on F5, it's going to go to the presentation mode, and if I click on the first slide, it's going to go to the first slide. But how do we go back? So let's create a button for that also. So if you want to go back, then just click on escape and you get this. Oh sorry, this is the old file which you saw. This, and now again you have to click on select a button to go to the previous one. So again go to insert and then click on shapes, and I select a triangle, and then put the size in the corner. Let me put it in the corner. If you want, you can change the color. I select orange. Now I can again right click on it and do link, and go click on slide titles and slide 1. Okay, now we can just copy and paste this shape. So let me Control C it, and go to second slide and Control V, third slide and Control V. So we have our 3 buttons. Now let me go to the first slide and start the presentation. Click on the first slide and goes to this slide, and if I click on this button, it goes back to this slide, and second slide, this slide, click on the button, back to this slide, third slide, this slide, and back to this button, this slide. So this is how we are going to do our interactive slides. If you want it more colorful and themed like this one, where we get this and then we need to get these shapes, you can just click on make a shape and then click insert text inside. It's very easy. If you want something like this, you can click on, you can get some images from Google, and inside that you can put this number. So let's just see what we get in the design ideas. So okay, it says we don't have any designs. No problem. For this, yeah, we have some design. We are just normal, so let me try for this again. Okay, we don't have any designs. I can click on, I can insert an image and we can make a design on that. So I can click on pictures and online pictures. You only get this online pictures option in Microsoft Office 365, and I search for let's say forest, and I select this forest and insert. It's going to download and get inserted. Now you can just delete this text below. I can just put this in the corner and then drag it fully until the slide ends. Now I can just right click on it. Sorry, it just got pasted. Right click on it and then send to back and send backwards. Send backwards. So you can just right click again and you can just put send to back. Send to back. Sorry, not send to backwards. Send to back. It just goes back. Now this is the background, and then if I go to design ideas now, we get some ideas to make the slide animative. So I click on this. Now let's say we got something, and this one also looks nice, but it looks plain in the sides. So I said select this one. You can just select which one you like, and this design ideas will not be same all the time. It differs every time. So if you don't get this idea. You should not blame me for that. So this is the end of a video. If you like it, share it to your friend and subscribe to my channel. Bye.